Hey, good morning, Facebook. How are you this very cold Friday morning? Like 28 degrees out here. It's not my thing. It's not my jam. If it were up to me, which I keep begging my husband, just keep moving me further south, although I love South Carolina and I love Williamston. It'd be hard to leave. All right, so I'm at 316 South Hamilton Street this morning. I'm going to give you a live walkthrough, let you know what's been going on. So plumbing and electrical should all be finished at this point. Everything's roughed in. I got somebody, one of the guys is pulling in. So I'm going to make this quick this morning, and let's see what we got going. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, yep, looking about the same right now. Oh, we do have a tub in. Oh, they got both tubs in. All right, that's exciting. So you can see all the plumbing or the electrical is, the panels or boxes are all in. Looks like all of that is done, so that's good. There's more going on. So next week, sheetrock will be going in. There are several windows that will be coming in next week too, but there are 3, and probably these right here, they're about 3 weeks out before they come in. So this is going into the foyer area here and then down the hallway. So let's go take a look at the, oh yeah, see, all your plumbing is in. Oh, we're gonna have double sinks right here, it looks like. Nice. Okay, and then so your toilet's gonna go here, and then here's your tub shower combo for your hall bath. This is your main. Oh, that's a nice deep tub. Oh, that's a really nice deep tub. I like that. And then this one, actually, we got a linen closet in here, so that's nice. It's pretty deep too, so that's good. I did find out that we're going to be able to restore the hardwood floors in the bedrooms, so that's nice. They are, they're oak, and they are going to be gorgeous when they're done. I can't wait. And I think Chase Ford is who is going to be doing the floors for us, I think. So let's take a look at, okay, so this is the shower for the master here. And it's roughed in, so this is going to be toilet here, and then you'll have your sink here. Won't be able to have a double in here, but that's okay. But you got a good size shower. Let's go in here. Oh yeah, I can, yep, that works. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, HVAC is being inspected next week as well. I don't think any painting will start yet. Trim work, though, will be going on. So if you can see, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 recessed lights here, and then you'll have a light above your sink right there. So there's your sink area. And, oh, is that Greg Gowan on the... Hey, Greg, I see you. Let's take a look out front so you guys can see what it's like when you... All right, so this foyer area, I'm going to say probably 5 feet wide here. It's nice and big since they took out that closet. I mean, it was so... I mean, literally, my elbows would have went from wall to wall because it was a small little hallway right here. But that really opened that up. And like I said, okay, so Greg just said hey to me, and he is one of the Gowan brothers that's doing the rehab on this house. All right, so what I think is going to be cute, and I said this last week, but I'm going to say it again. Right here, when you come in at this entry, okay, so it's nice and wide, is doing a shiplap wall right here, and then have a wood bench, and then have baskets underneath, and then have you some little hanging rods right there for coats, and backpacks. How cute would that be? You know it would be cute, people. All right, so front yard. This is going out the front of the house. And there's your neighbors across the street. And then you just go back in. So if you guys know anybody that is interested, or you're interested in living in Williamston, give me a call, 864-940-1690. I'd love to help you buy or sell a house in Williamston. I love listing homes and marketing them. It's one of my favorite things to do. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. Mwah. Stay warm, stay toasty, drink lots of hot chocolate. Bye.